Hello, good morning. Welcome to Kingston Public School. I am your computer teacher Bhavna Gupta. Today we will learn about database. What is database? A database is an organized collection of structured information or data. It is stored electronically in a computer system. A database is usually controlled by a DBMS. It's database management system. What makes up a database? A structure of database is made up of fields, records and files. This is learned as an example student information database table. What is database table? A database table is composed of records and fields that hold data. Tables are also called data sheets. Then what is fields? These are fields: roll number, name, father name, address, telephone number, date of birth. These are fields. A field is refers to a column of vertical categories of data. And then what is record? A record is composed of fields and contains all the data about one particular person, company or item in a database. For example, here Kishore is a student. Roll number of Kishore is 101. Father name Mr. R. Gupta. Then address is this. Telephone number this. Date of birth this. So it is a record of Kishore. Okay. A student roll number, name, father name, address, telephone number, date of birth indicate the one complete record of a student. Then what is a file? A file is a collection of related records. All records are saved in files. Then next is database. I have already explained that what is database. Then types of database. There are mainly two types of database. First is flat file database and then second is relational database. A flat file database can store and retrieve the information. It is not capable of linking file together. But relational database links separate tables together to get a common piece of information. Okay. Then DBMS. It stands for Database Management System. It's also, I have already explained that database is controlled by a DBMS. Then what is Microsoft Access? Microsoft Access is the most popular and powerful RDBMS. Is a relational database management system. What is relational database management system? It separates the table together. Separate table linked together to get a common piece of information. MS Access comes an integral part of my MS Office suite of application. It is used to organize and manipulate of data, and it organizes the data in form of tables. Then next is creating a blank database in Microsoft Access. Firstly, how to open Microsoft Access? First, we will click on Start button, then All Programs, then Microsoft Office, then Microsoft Office Access 2007. When we will click on Microsoft Office Access 2007, this window is open. This. Okay. In the left side, template categories. Access comes with a variety of templates that you can use as a starting point. A template is a ready-to-use database that contains all the tables, queries, forms and reports needed to perform a specific task. If one of these templates fits your need, using it is usually the fastest way to get a database started. If you are not interested in using a template, you can create a database by building your own tables, forms, reports and other database objects. If you want to open blank database, you will click on here. Okay. When you will get blank database task pane on the right side. Okay. that prompt you to create a file. This is a blank database task pane, and you have to write a file name in this file name text box. Okay, then click on the create button. The database will be created and the name of the database will be displayed on the title bar. C. We have write file name is mystery, so mystery will be displayed on the title bar. Then in the table tab is always selected by default. So you will create a table of database in Microsoft Access. So today we have learned about database and types of database and how to create the blank database in Microsoft Access. Okay, thank you.